Gaza Solid Waste Management Project is a very special one. It benefits almost 50% of the population of the Gaza Strip, catering to southern and middle Gaza area, 3 governorates located in this area. The project provides infrastructure support by constructing new and sanitary landfill in this area. It has also constructed 2 transfer stations for safe waste transport and transfer, as well as it has provided support for some additional and ancillary infrastructure and equipment, for example, containers and fleet management. In addition to infrastructure support, the project also provides capacity building and technical assistance support. The indicators that we monitor for results-based payments spans across 5 key areas, including the operations and maintenance of newly constructed infrastructure, landfill transfer stations, as well as container management, medical waste handling procedures, and improved cost recovery for the operations and maintenance of the infrastructure. The incentives have provided encouragement to the client to perform better and operate these infrastructure in a much more environmentally sound manner. The other thing that has worked very well is the medical waste handling procedures. And with the incentives that were provided by the GPRBA assistance, what the client could achieve was to work with the medical waste providers in the area, sign an agreement with them for source separation of hazardous waste, so it's not mixed up with the normal municipal waste, and finally cost recovery. With the incentive, what was achieved was, with the cost recovery, which was less than 40%, has shot up to 70%, more than 70% today. One part is the contextual challenges, particularly because the project is operating in an FCV context. It brings a lot of implementation challenges as well as delays. And the second set of challenges that comes are from the arrangement that the results-based financing has. This was for the first time the client was working on such a system where you work on the results. If you achieve the results, you get the payment against the results. And there is an independent agency who would be verifying these results. So we have to be very careful when we introduce this independent verification agency to the client to make sure that the independent verification agency is not seen as an outsider really commenting on the results that the implementing agency is achieving. Instead, this has to be seen as an independent body. The GPRBA funding really added value because with the incentives, with the right kind of monitoring systems, we help the client build their capacity for running the infrastructure, for operating this infrastructure. And also with the incentives, they were encouraged to run this system very, very efficiently. With the incentive-based scheme, you can really influence the change in behaviors.